It is now.
TBD. All right, TBD.
Hey, Adam.
Yeah, the back half of what we're working on is much cleaner than the front half. And
DJ.
I just want to be consistent on it. All right, so give it the best performance that you have. We will run it all the way through once more today on the
Stadium?
in the stadium.
Got it.
So keep that in reserves, but you're doing great so far. Whatever level of performance you're used to, level it up right now, okay? Between each of the tunes, don't move a muscle, okay? Even right now, let's get set. Even right now, let's get set. So as we go from tune to tune, when there's a break, don't break the attention, don't break your focus. Practice right now for the performance, and let's see what you have. Do you have enough energy to make it all the way to the end? Full take. Perform to the end. Let's see. Don't forget we'll run through to the WT spell out, and you have 32 counts to get there. Yes? All right. Go for it.
Don't move, don't move, don't move.